Good morning, everyone. I'm here. I was actually going to do a what do you call it? I was actually going to do a tutorial video today. Some of my older videos that I used to do up here, well, not up here, but when my sewing space was in our breakfast nook, I used to do videos, but a lot of times the kids were home. What is that on my lens? The kids were home, so it was kind of loud in a lot of those videos. But yeah, so I was going to start redoing this particular one. It was a few of them that I wanted to redo, but I thought I was feeling better than I am. And the reason why I'm feeling so poorly is because I was out in the freezing freaking cold on Saturday and Sunday selling Girl Scout cookies. So yeah, don't mind my hair. I know it's crap. Who cares? I need to wash it. It's one of those moments where I wash it when I have time or when I feel like it. And I just don't feel like it right now. So what I'm actually going to do, I have to do this. Oh, I didn't mean to pause that. It's like muted. I have to do this video for our influencer. I know I talked about it, I think on here, but I got this customized, if you can see my name on there, but I got this for free from Influencer and Bare Minerals. It's a customized to my skin foundation, and I don't really wear makeup like that, you guys know that, but I have to do a video for this. But I like this because when I put it on my hand, like if you use the app, you can get the Bare Minerals Made-2-Fit app. It will customize based on, you know, your skin tone and, you know, your face and stuff. So it's like a series of like little light tests that you have to do with your cheeks, your forehead. They start, I think it starts on your hand, and so it's several different spots of your face that you do with your phone to match, for the app to match you with your skin color. So I'm just going to show you why I like this so much. And it's kind of, hold on, because you're not going to be able to see. I don't know why I did that. Hold on, I'm going to try to put this right here so you guys can see a little bit. Oh, that's awesome. So I put too much on me anyway, but that is amazing. Like when I was younger and I would try to match like makeup to my skin tone, I could never, because I would either go too dark or I would go too light, and it would make me look like a ghost. But this is, the match is phenomenal. So I have to do a video for that on the Influencer app. So I'll leave that link below to Influencer if you guys don't know about that already. But like I talked about it before, and this is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just talking about it because I have to do the video and I'm vlogging, so I need to tell you guys what I'm doing today. So yeah, so if you download the Influencer app, they have like these snaps, they call them. Let me show you what I'm talking about for those of you who don't know about Influencer. So here it is on my phone. It's this one right here. So you open that, Influencer. You can see this is my page, and I did this Oreo cookie thing. Some of you may have seen that on my Facebook, but right now I have 15 badges, and this is, oh shoot, my impact score. Like a lot of times I have to go in and manually change that because it doesn't always update with like my Facebook and YouTube and stuff like that. So that's where your impact score comes from. It's based on, you know, how many people you have following you on social media, YouTube, things like that. And so you earn the badges by you first start off with these things called snaps. And in the snaps, you basically have like, let me click on this one. I have to finish. So you can do reviews for certain things. They ask you questions. If you want to skip it, you can skip it and just go on. But sometimes you earn badges for doing these. So here we go. Which of the following beauty tools do you use? So you just choose whatever you use, and then it goes to the next question and asks you this, that, and the third. So for the badges, you earn by doing, you know, virtual boxes for influencer, or like, here's my Bare Minerals Made-to-Fit custom Vox box. And so when you go in here, it has you do, don't mind the mess over there, don't look at it. So here's the badge, and then when you click on the badge, it has certain activities that you have to do to earn the badge. And then when you earn it, you know, it makes your badge count go up. So right now I'm at 15 badges. Oh god, I feel horrible. But yeah, so there are activities you have to do in a certain amount of time to keep being qualified for different Vox boxes, or you know, virtual boxes or whatever like that. So I really like it because everything that I've been a part of so far has been awesome. And yeah, so like the more you participate, the more chances you get to getting a lot of their Vox boxes and stuff like that. So you can just check out their Instagram, like influencer on Instagram, and you could just see like some of the stuff that you can be a part of and things like that when you qualify for them. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool, and I may just start covering this pale thing up when I start doing my videos, if I can get that makeup look right on when I go in there. You know, I just a lot of times don't like wearing foundation because I always feel like I don't look right. I look like a clown to myself, but other people say, oh, you look pretty, you should wear makeup more often, blah blah blah. You know, I love people's compliments, but also when I do certain things, if I don't feel right, if I don't feel like I look right, or you know, I'm feeling some sort of way about it, then I have to go by my own instinct and not what everybody else says. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that. I'm going to take today as a rest day, which I hate the fact that I'm taking a rest day because I've been so sick. So I've been doing rest days for so long, but I seriously need to take today to be a rest day because, like I said, Saturday and Sunday I was outside for 3 hours in the freezing cold selling Girl Scout cookies. So I'm not doing so well, and if I push myself today, then I know I'm not going to be well for the rest of the week. So I have to take this day as a rest day and then build up the energy so I can do the things that I need to do for the rest of the week, if that makes sense. So bear with me, guys. Hey everyone, so I am about to end this vlog because I'm about to go cook dinner, and I want to get the video up at a decent time today. So not much really went on besides me doing that video. I'm doing the, well, not video, doing a little test and things I did for the Bare Minerals influencer thing. So yeah, that's what I was doing today. And I am about to cook dinner for the children. I'm not really hungry right now myself, but yeah, I know that I'll probably get hungry like tonight, because that's how it always works. I get hungry like in the middle of the night. So I gotta pack this stuff up too so I can mail this out to my niece tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope all of you had a lovely, lovely Monday. And for those of you who are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button like right now. And yeah, like this video, share it out with your friends. Let me know what you like and you don't like that I do on this channel. And I am 100% certain I'm getting at least one tutorial up this week. It's a remake, but it's a tutorial. So for some of you new people who may not have seen the video that I'm going to remake, it's new to you. So you will see that on Wednesday. Bye.